So good morning. For the recording that I and the number that I chose is number 3. You are what you eat. So the saying "you are what you eat" reminds us that our diet directly shapes our body, energy, and overall health. The foods we choose become the building blocks of our cells, muscles, and organs. Eating nutrient-rich foods like colorful fruits, vegetables, whole grain, and lean proteins helps the body perform at its best, boost immunity, and supports mental clarity. In contrast, a diet high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats can lead to fatigue, poor concentration, and chronic disease. In essence, the quality of our food determines the quality of our health. Nourishing our body with real, wholesome food is one of the most powerful ways to take care of ourselves because truly we are what we eat. Thank you.